In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all posts on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Then, tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon at the top right corner. Next, tap the gear icon, also at the top right corner. Now, scroll down until you see your activity section. Under this section, pick Activity Log. Then, tap the arrow next to your activity across Facebook. Look for the Posts section and tap the arrow next to it. You'll see some options. Just choose your posts, check-ins, photos, and videos. Here, you'll find all the posts on your timeline. To hide all of them, check the box next to each post. After that, tap the three dots in the lower right corner. Select Change Audience and pick Only Me. Finally, tap Change. Now, your posts won't be visible to others. And there you have it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.